Case number 7, do it as homework. 8, we can do. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe. So the shape which is given in the question, cylindrical pipe of length. Length is given here, that is 28 meter. That means its height, right? So height is equal to 28 meter and diameter is equal to 5. So we can write radius is equal to 5 by 2, that is 2.5. Find the total radiating surface in the system. So we have to find out the total radiating surface. That means here it is given that in a hot water heating system there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and 5 diameter 5. Find the total radiating surface in the system. Okay, so the total radiating surface in the system is equal to total surface area of the cylinder. Total radiating surface area in the system means total surface area of the cylinder, because the shape is given here cylindrical. So we have to calculate the total surface area of the cylinder. What is the equation for finding total surface area of the cylinder? That is 2 pi r into h plus r. All the values are given here. R is here, h is here. Pi value we know that. So 2 into value of pi into r into h plus r. H value plus r value. Normal mathematical calculation, we will get the answer is equal to 4.4 meter square. Okay, next case number 9, do it as homework. Case number 10. In the given figure, you see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter and the height of 30 centimeter. A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for the folding. It covers the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. Okay, so what are the values are given here that we have to write here first. R is equal to given diameter is given, that is 20 centimeter. So radius we can write 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Height is equal to 30 centimeter, which is also given here in this question. 30 centimeter height of this one is equal to 30 centimeter written here. Okay, next we have to calculate circumference of the base of the frame. So this is in the shape of cylindrical, that means the base is in the shape of a circle, right? So circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. So 2 into pi into value of r substituted here. Value of pi is not substituted, r value only substituted. Okay, 2 into 10 is equal to 20 pi centimeter is the answer. Next, height of the frame that is given here 30 centimeter. So we can write here height of the cloth needed for covering the frame including its margin. We can write here 30 plus this 2.5 plus 2.5 centimeter. This is the figure. Okay, so we will get it is equal to 35 centimeter. So we can write here breadth of the cloth is equal to circumference of the base of frame, that is area of the cloth required to cover the lampshade is equal to length into breadth, which is in the shape of a rectangular shape, right? That is why length into breadth we are using here. So length we have here 35 and breadth already we have here 20 pi. Okay, so normal multiplication, value of pi substituting, we will get the answer equal to 2200 centimeter square is the final answer. Okay.